What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and we're making dinner. This is going to be a fast, easy, simple, delicious recipe. Delicious and fast. What more do you need? You're going to need some smoked sausage, some pepper jack cheese, some peppers, some butter, some noodles, because we're making pepper jack, or no, we're making Cajun smoked sausage pepper jack pasta. First off, go ahead and get a pot, fill it with water, and start getting that water to boil. I got a big old box of rigatoni. I'm not using it at all. I'm going to use about a cup to 2 cups. That's about it. My water is currently boiling, so I'm going to add my noodles. Whoop, whoop. Using what I got in the house. It's a few more days left until grocery day. You know what I mean. So we're going to go ahead and cook this up and get something delicious on the stove or on the plates. So we're going to get something delicious, cheap, and easy on the plates.
I like turtles.
So I got my burner here. I'm going to go ahead and put my pan on. Put a little oil down. This is the chicken turkey sausage by Johnsonville. It's 1 pack and then a half a pack of one that we have left over that equal 1 pound. And then I have my peppers also. It's just one orange pepper. They're sweet bell peppers. So figure going with a little bit of flavor. Those peppers will make really nice in the pasta. We're going to cook everything pretty much in this pot. So it's pretty much a 1 pot except for our noodles. Let's sprinkle a little bit of salt on in there. This is roasted garlic Asiago. The seasoning's great. It's by Weber. A little bit of that black pepper. We're going to let this sweat down, cook. We'll be back. Smelling very nice. Dab a little bit of butter in there for right now. Get my flour. Sprinkle over everything. Get everything nice and coated. Have a little bit more butter on in there. You got some milk. You use heavy cream if you want. Ain't got none. 2 cups of milk. Of course, you gotta add some garlic. Spoonful. Nothing fancy. Maybe about 1 more cup. I'm going to grab a little bit of that pasta water. Pour it on in there. Get that starch in there. Thicken everything up a little bit. I got my pepper jack cheese all cubed up just so it'll help melt faster. I'm making a big thing tonight. My father asked if he could have dinner with us tonight as my mom has been out taking care of her mom. He wanted a home cooked meal. I said, come on. Come on, Dad. I got you. See the grandkids. So, waiting on him. So I figured I'd make a big old pot of this. Plus, he loves spice. And this isn't going to have a lot of spice overall, but once you plate up, you can add a little bit more spice if you want to with your crushed red pepper and stuff like that. Put my noodles slowly on in. Bam. Start mixing it all in. One more ingredient, some Velveeta. You can use cream cheese if you want to. I'm going to use some Velveeta. Just going to give it an overall creamier taste. Grab a little bit of parsley. That's it, y'all. Oh, it's heavy. Y'all, this looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to taste it. I tried a little bit of it earlier just to do like a small little taste test just of the sauce. And that is delicious. As you can tell as I keep eating it, it's warm, it's hot. Mm. That's good. Y'all make it. I'm going to ring everybody up. I'm going to eat dinner. I love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll